Hello, my name is Solomon. In this video, we are going to talk how to set a goal. How can you set a goal? What is a goal? What is a goal? What is a goal? Goal is just what you want to achieve. Assuming you want to buy a car next year, or you want to build house next year, or you want to travel to US or UK next year. So you will say, okay, my goal next year is to travel to UK or to buy house. That is all about goal. Goal is all about what you want to have. So, and we also have a future goal. That is all about dream. What do you want to be in 40 years today, 50 years? So, but we are talking about immediate goal today. So, how to set a goal? How I did it is, okay, it's okay. I want to buy a brand new car next year. Then I write it down. Yeah. If you want to make your goal come true or take place in your life, you have to write your goal down. You have to define your goal and know what it is. Be specific. Yeah, a lot of people fail not to achieve their goal because they just set lousy goals. So you have to be specific. You have to define your goal and know your goal. And you have to know the deadline when you will achieve the goal. What I did is I want to buy a car by this time around next year. I said July next year. That is my deadline to achieve my goal. So that is all about a goal. And many people end up doing just seeing themselves in lousy goals that they can never achieve, they cannot even achieve, ending up fail. But mind you, yeah, it's gonna be a problem in goal setting. Goal setting, it's going to be much problem because it's not everything you say that you need that will come your way. Yeah. But if you want to achieve your goal, you have to make your goal to come real. We want to make it real. How can you make your goal real? Write it down, define it, and go for it. Start working on that goal. After you just write it down clearly, every moment you will take, you will step out there. From the moment you write your goal down, everything you do from then count on that goal. Make sure everything you will do after you write your goal down counts. So, and next thing, a lot of people fail to achieve their goal because they end up seeing themselves doing what they hate, like work. I've already said this for the first time that if you have a job or a work that you don't like, you have to come out of it like a way you escape burning fire. Because if you fail not to come out of any job or work you hate, you will end up being a failure because doing what you hate can't get you good results you want. So, how can you know job or work you like? Yeah, we are human beings. You know what you want. If you don't like what job that you are doing, be specific to yourself. Don't cheat yourself and look for where you belong and start from there. So yeah, you can even set a goal to step out today to get yourself what you desire, to get yourself what you love. Yeah. So that is all about today's video, all about setting a goal. I did it. It's not easy. To achieve your goal is not easy, but we have to do it. It's not easy for me, it's not easy for everyone. All the successful people I know, they are goal setters and they know what they want. And once they know what they want, nothing can stop them to achieve their goal. So, I believe you understand something today. So, I promise you in my next video, we'll teach you a lot of things that will open your eyes to make you understand reason why you are not getting results you want now in your current job or your work. So see you in next video. My next video will change everything for you. Today I understand, I know that you already know how to set a goal and what goal is. So, and how to achieve your goal. If you don't understand, or if you have any question, see you in comment section. I'm going to reply your comments. Let's share wisdom together. Yeah, maybe you can teach me or I can teach you. I love to learn. Yeah, we can teach each other. So see you. Bye.